Alright guys, so let's continue our Unity journey. So let's write a script. So basically you're going to write a bunch of C# script. I think it's just one C# script that will serve as the maybe just controller, the third person movement control. Okay, TPMC. All right, so just okay, third person movement control, and we're going to trust and open that using a writer, right? So double click, and we got start as well as update. So basically this is all about movement control, and the movement control, I'm thinking of the different thing that our whatever the soldier, the space soldier can do. I'm thinking about well, you can move, you can walk, you can run, you can do all sorts of things. I'm thinking about walk as well as run. Okay, so yeah, let me just do that. So we got stars and we got updates. I think before we do anything, let me just using a serialized field. Okay, I'm thinking of basically the serialized field is just you can show that in the Unity editor, and you can keep it private, so nobody can access it. So private and float. So basic movement should be something like a walk. Okay, so the walk speed would be 5. Yeah, let's just do that, and then you can do some serialized field. Run speed will be a much higher speed. Okay, and then you can using say jump force. Yeah, you can do that. Right now let's just use these two. And in private, I'm going to use the vector 3 because it's 3am, and we can say move direction that can control where this guy can go. Alright, so at start of this execution, I'm going to actually find the character controller. So I'm going to say character controller. Okay, character controller will be our character controller. Okay, so yeah, I can make it private. Okay, so because the controlling part does not need to go public. So get component, and we can get our character controller. Okay, and once we get that, we get a controller, and yeah, right now you give the error because you haven't declared this character controller yet. So I'm going to maybe name it here. So we got the move direction, and let's declare a more private character controller, and that will be a character controller. Okay, and of course you can add some underline. Doesn't really matter. Okay, you can do something like the character controller like this, but it's for much bigger projects. Right now it's just a quick like a toy project, so I'm going to make it relatively small. Okay, so character controller will be a character controller, and character controller get component. Yeah, so then it's the update, and once you got this controller ready, you can actually update our code to basically this update means that every frame with a refresh you're going to update I'm going to write a move. So that means that it's not move direction. It's move. Okay. So every time you press a certain key, I'm going to just, I think, maybe use a old input system, and private void move. Then we got direction input get access. If we got left shift, we got, yeah, that's just too much. Let's do that manually. Okay, just accept some part of it. Okay, so let's just write it manually. So for example, let's add just a one movement. So move the input vertical. Okay, I'm going to set that. So basically just moving a Z axis, so you get a vertical movement, and then you can direction. Yeah, pretty good. So you updated vertical 3. That's so cool. The Copilot is so cool. Okay, it just automatically generates all that. Transform to that position. I'm going to use the character controller to do that. So basically, I got a handle to get hold of that thing, and we can actually make it move to a direction time down times the time frame in relevance, and we got the walk speed. We got walk speed of 5f. That's good. So I think that's pretty good. Okay, so it just can automatically, all the modification is inefficient. Not really matter. Time delta time, and if it's inefficient, maybe I'm going to make a new var here. I'm going to say the walk speed, run speed, move direction. So basically it's just multiplier move direction. And let's see, we got the walk speed. Okay, so let's get an intermediate thing. Okay, so current speed. Yeah, I think I haven't declared that. So current speed, walk speed, run speed. I can. We don't need a serialized field for that, but let's just add this. Okay, so the current speed, it does not specify anything, but let's just use current speed equals to, and we got this movement direction. We just like quick direction, and we got walk speed. I think here we got some multiplication, but just completely using this move different direction, and might just multiply the walk speed. Okay, so walk speed. Okay, and we got this current speed. So basically, current speed will be walking. Okay, and let's just quickly test walking, and we're gonna make it friendly relevant. So using current speed and multiply the time. Okay, it's just a movement direction. Okay, I got it. So I'm going to just single that out. Okay, I think that will solve the problem. Still, it's not. Alright, so we can't do that. Alright, I just learned a new way of doing things, just using multiplication and then equal. Okay, so you don't need any intermediate, you just can use to move direction, so you don't need this current speed. Okay, let's just edit it out, just comment it, and yeah, let's test this thing. Okay, so let's save this, go back. Yeah, go back here. Okay, so this like the tune shader. Right, so let's just go back here. We got third person controller. All right, and I'm going to click and drag. You see here, so should have a strip attached to it. Okay, and hopefully we can make it moving at least in one direction. So just walking. Alright, that's pretty good. So we can get it moving. Okay, and of course you can let's just close this shader thing to shaders introduction. Okay, I think I can yeah, things is the vector 3. Okay, so I'll say move direction where we have a yeah, I can get multiple movement X and Z. Another shift around. Yeah, that's pretty good. So right now we can further complicate our project by adding X. Right now the Y we're going to make jump, so it doesn't really matter. So walk speed, move, delta time. Okay, so let's save this and go back here, and hopefully it can work on the plane. So you can use WASD, so you can go to different direction. Oh, okay, forward, backwards, left and right. Okay, that looks pretty good. Okay, so yeah, so we got this basic movement working, and in next time I think I'm going to adding maybe a different speed for walking, and maybe adding a little bit jumping, right?